Hey guys, King they're back here, and we are playing some Iron Snout. Let me load this out here. Can't lower the sound here. I just bust the mic away from my face a little bit. So let's get into this. Yeah, like Bruce Lee Pig, yo. You cannot defeat me in my picky ways. Oh no, my axe broke. There you go. Let's go on the jet. Get wrecked, son. Come on, get wrecked. Whatcha? Let's do this. Dang, these wolves can't even touch me, dude. These wolves can't even handle me right now. Combos. This game is available on Steam. I'm just gonna tell you guys this now. I can do better. I can do better. My score is 70. Got my face off. Nonsense, dude. Ooh, 2 with 1 hit. 2 hit combo. Get out of here. Dang, I couldn't grab the chainsaw. Dang it, I got hit by the rocket. Get wrecked, son. Get wrecked, you doggy scrubs. You bubble scrub. I got even worse than the last time. Need a refresher course. Start with a tutorial. Piggy scrubs. Scrub. I got like their eyes turned red. See, look, right as they're about to kill me, their eyes are turned red. See? I guess I noticed that right. I gotta jump directly over him. Come on, get out of here with all this nonsense. You didn't even get the skills to touch me, yo. I'm untouchable. I'm too good. Oh. of my way, Grandma. Ah. Okay. Okay, I got this. I just need to do that tutorial to get my skills up. This game like gives you ultimatums. It's like either dodge or there you go, I got another axe. I'm the lumberjack who killed the big bad wolf. Oh, I got the lumberjack reference now. Got you. Boss mode. I am the level boss. This wolf can't even handle me right now. Ooh. I think I might just beat my score, guys. Trying to keep me from beating my score, but I won't let him. Two forehead combo. Nice. I think I might just take it. 75. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. This might just be the last round. Scrub up, double scrubs. So my friends said it's cool. Scrub babies can't even handle my swag. You can't even handle me. All of them all your butts. Come on. Get on. Get your basket out of here. This ain't no basket weaving class. You ain't got no skills here. Get off me! Stop humping me. Something in my face, guys. Little baby wolves. Trying to get up on my floor. You can't stop me, bro. You can't stop me. 2 MLG Pro. 2 MLG for you babies. Piggy RYU. What you get? Shut up the fucking. What you can? I stop the doggy. What you can? He's owning these scrubs. These scrubs getting me around. What all I get is you're getting better. Man, these wolves can't even handle me. This guy is just dancing at my defeat. You know what? I'm gonna get you. Open your combo. Stop. Let me get coordinated, dude. I'm gonna start getting more coordinated. Girl. I knocked his head like clear off his shoulders with a punch. Dang it, I missed it. Come at me, bro. God, J told I got the That was like perfect. Yes. Oh, freaking idiot. This isn't Napoleon Dynamite. I love Napoleon Dynamite. It was super funny. This freaking idiot. And explosions. Maybe this should be like a tournament of this. I need to play an Iron Snout tournament. Sound like pretty good. I'm like kidding, dude. The top sounds like thousands, dude. I get it. Get on my level. I'm B-rated. One beacon left at 50 seconds. Well, that's it for today, guys. Keep watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for coming.